Ever noticed how you know what you want to do, but 5 seconds later fear kicks in and talks you out of doing it? That's where your future is decided. When you get that moment of inspiration, I'm talking about that genuine excitement feeling. Get a little nudge to speak up, to publish, to go for that job, or to say yes to yourself today. Maybe even stand up for yourself in a situation. The reason that you're not listening to that is because your brain is registering it as unsafe. The only way to bypass these feelings of doubt is you need to act within 5 seconds of getting that thought before your nervous system does what it's always done. Protect, pause, play it safe. Of course, if you're not feeling safe, your nervous system wants to protect you. So it's not going to let you go out there. It's not going to let you hit publish on that. It's scary. It's not going to let you go for that job. It's not going to let you stand up for yourself when it feels really difficult, but you know that's the right thing to do because it's trying to keep you safe. The point is not to shut off your nervous system. It's understanding that it does have a purpose to play, but it's not needed right now because it's very short-sighted. You know the long-term effects of always playing it small and always putting yourself down and not acting on your excitement. You know what that feels like. It feels very draining. It feels like your life is not yours. It feels like you're almost a slave, like you're a puppet to everything around you with no volition of your own. This isn't the nervous system malfunctioning. It's serving its purpose, but you need to bypass it by acting within 5 seconds of that exciting thought. This is you not ignoring your nervous system. This is actually understanding how it protects you and when to listen to it and when it's actually just being short-sighted. Here's the thing, you don't need to feel ready. You need to interrupt the loop before it starts to lock you down again, before it starts reinforcing itself again. So next time doubt creeps in, do this. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and just do it. Say the thing. Hit publish. Go for that job. Stand up for yourself. Trust the inner voice. Your nervous system works best in times of threat. So when it starts registering those other things as threats, you need to learn how to bypass it. Interrupt the fear pattern before it wins by default. You don't need more confidence. You need to act before the old story steals your moment yet again. That's the window. That's your power. Catch it. Use it. Act before doubt wins. If you're ready to go deeper in this with me, I'm offering a 4-week course at 90% off, and as a beta tester you get first access to all the tools and techniques that I'm going to be teaching. You'll walk away with more clarity, more purpose, and a solid game plan for the next 6 months of exactly what you need to do based on what aligns with your goals. I'm only looking for 5 women at this stage. If you are ready and courageous enough to take this step, reply ready or send me a DM.